So we are making today sausage, garlic chicken with lots of soya sauce, vinegar, black pepper and oregano.
Let's get started.
Let's start the recipe here. We are going to marinate the thing first. The chef is here, Shubhadeep, and helping hand Nunu. So at first we have sprinkled the black pepper. Now we are putting the apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons, little bit pinch of black pepper. Now we are cutting out the oregano, synthetic oregano. Now we are sprinkling the oregano. Okay, nicely done. The chicken is perfectly cut.
Added some salt.
We are adding little bit 2 tablespoons of salt, plain salt. Yeah, that's nice. Sprinkling little bit MSG. You can add it or you can just 2 tablespoons or 4 tablespoons of Wikifield corn flour. Lots of corn flour for the crispiness. Okay, we are going to mix it up. Chef Shubhadeep helping and Nunu. I'm the cameraman. We are mixing it properly, evenly. Chef is smelling. Feels great, huh? What the hell I'm going to do? Nice, very nice. Now we are deep frying the sliced marinated chicken. Now we are deep frying the sliced chicken, marinated chicken, which I have explained previously. Okay, the oil is nice and warm. Okay. Chef Shubhadeep on process. Okay. Nicely done. We are deep frying. We are deep frying it. We are deep frying the sliced chicken. ওপরটাই হয়ে যাবে ভাই। The redness, the brownie, the crispy redness, the brown chicken slices are getting ready to eat. Okay, we are making it. It's very much crispy. Chef is on process. Try to review the try one. Give us the review.
That's called dragon chicken.
Dragon chicken.
Yes.
From garlic tree to bread.
So we have shift from we have switched from that to this. Okay, the redness, the crispiness is very much high. The juiciness is very much high. We are very much hungry. See. 4 tablespoons of white oil. It's getting hot right now. After it's getting hot, we are adding chopped garlic. Lots of garlic. We need to fry it properly, evenly, both sides. With some onion flakes. We need to deep fry the chopped garlic for the raw flavor. We need the raw flavor. Chef Shubho on process. This is grinded dried chili flakes. Here the sauce is ready. We have used vinegar, soya sauce, 3 tablespoons of vegetable sunflower.
Item.
Almost fried. We are getting the brown color.
Edit.
We are adding little bit pinch of black pepper depending upon your taste. We have used it. It's already done. It's already fried. We can see it, the redness, the crispiness of the garlic. We are adding the grinded chili. We are adding the grinded chili. Lots of hotness. I'm afraid this is gonna be really hot and spicy. I'm afraid this is gonna be very much hot. It's very hot and spicy recipe. We are adding Kissan tomato ketchup. Stir firmly, like the chef is stirring right now. He's gonna taste it. How was it? Sharnav is tasting right now. The helping hand of the chef.
Awesome.
How was it?
Awesome.
Okay. We are getting the review. A pinch of MSG or salt, I don't know. We need to fry the sauce until the oil is just upon the mixture. We are adding little bit more Kissan ketchup. Now we are adding the previously prepared sauce, which was soya sauce, chili sauce, a little bit vinegar. Chef is on process. We are adding 2 tablespoons of soya sauce. We have added. We need to mix it evenly. Now we are adding some MSG or sugar, I don't know, sugar. The chef is confirming that was sugar. Little bit sugar, half tablespoon.
Chicken.
Now we are bringing up the previously fried crispy chickens. The sauce is nice. It's spicy, hot. We are adding it up. The previously evenly cooked the crispy chicken. We are adding it. Now we have to stir the whole process. We are just mixing it. We are mixing the chickens with the sauce. Okay, that's gonna be hot. It's gonna be a hot recipe. You can serve it with some scotch or red wine. It's getting hot. You gotta mix it until the gravy is quite. Quite? What? It's gonna be quite. It's gonna be quite together.
I wanna adding some honey.
Chef is gonna add some honey. I don't know honey is available or not, but he's saying that if we're gonna add some honey, like 2 tablespoons, this is gonna be, what is this? What are you adding right now? Spring onions. Chef is adding spring onions. Chef is adding some spring onions here. Okay, we're gonna mix it, but you have to ensure that it's not gonna be properly fried. You're adding a little bit more chili garlic, chili flakes, which was grinded previously. Okay, the chef is mixing it up.
डिलेक्ट होता है
नहीं तो ग्रीन कलर
पॉज करो पॉज ऑलरेडी
ग्रीन कलर का
The recipe is already done, almost done.
ग्रीन कलर का
Ready to serve right now. The recipe is ready to serve.
खाने दे दो